Hello everyone, this is Hemalata, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about the one of the case study related to the agroforestry. I have taken the Uttarakhand state. It is one of the mountainous state, covers an area of nearly 53,000 square kilometer, which is 1.63 percentage of the geographical area of the country, and it shares a border with Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, and also international borders with Nepal and China. This state lies in the Himalayan range, and the climate and vegetation vary greatly with the altitude. The main major rivers includes Ganga, Yamuna, Ramganga, and Sharda drain the state along with their tributaries. And the state has 13 districts. Mostly they are the hill state, and agriculture is the main occupation in that state, and majority of the population, like a 78.3 percentage, are in the rural areas. The socio-economic differentiation has increased a large number of indigenous communities living in the forested areas and depend on them for their life and livelihood. It is a rich source of forest resources, and the forest in Uttarakhand belongs to 9 forest type groups, and it is further divided into 43 forest types. The state can be divided into three zones like Himalayas, Shivalik, and the Terai region. Vanapanchayat and Uttarakhand are a unique institution of the community forest management, which came into existence in the year 1921. At present, 12,167 Vanapanchayat in the state, which manage an area of nearly 7 lakh hectares of the forest. Occurrence of forest fires at regular intervals is the major problem in the state. The area under each Varna Panchayat ranges from the fraction of hectare up to over 2000 hectare. Uh, Now there are around 6069 Vana Panchayat is available. The plantation and maintenance works in this forest is done by the Vana Panchayat, and six national parks and seven wildlife sanctuaries, and four community reserve, which will covers about 3.24 of the geographical area. The state has reported extent of their recorded forest area of 38,000 square kilometer, which is about 71.05 percentage. The community forest managed in this area is, accordance with Vanapanchayat Act, is a hybrid of state ownership and the community responsibility. Access and use of forest is guided by rules elaborately designed and implemented by the communities. The main functions of the Vana Panchayat is to develop and protect the forest by preventing felling of trees, and also to ensure there is no encroachment on this land, and to construct and fix boundary pillars to maintain them, and to carry out the directories of the subdivisional magistrate in developing and protecting forest. 20 percentage of the area of the forest must be closed for grazing every year. Joint forest management system is implemented by the Forest Department in the year 1997. The JFM rules enables the department to become the dominant partner in the management of the Vana Panchayat. It will link community forest management with the local government for the to maintenance. And agroforestry, it is one of the definition for agroforestry. It is a collective name for land use system in which woody perennials are grown with herbaceous crops and also with the animals. Main objective of agroforestry is to utilize the available farm resource to maximize the production of food fodder per unit and optimize the biological and physiological resources to maintain the ecological balance and to check the soil erosion, conserve soil moisture and increase the soil fertility. Based on the community forest in Uttarakhand, the annual soil loss is 16.4 tons per hectare per year. The tree species reduces the wind velocity and prevent wind erosion of the soil. And the tree cover checks the runoff of water and suspended sediments. Deep rooted contours along contours hedges will cover crops help in the soil stabilization, and the soil fertility also improved as tree foliage is used as a mulch and green manure, and growing lucena for 3 years on the sandy soil improves the soil fertility, and it will break the impermeable layers in certain soil. Thank you.